Hello and welcome to Mangley Town Out and About. Today we're at Faversham Model Railway Club exhibition. Sorry? I don't know, is another one coming? Yeah. It's going slowly.
You had the 3 subs. Yeah. But then they had X-Steam stock that they put in the middle. So you start looking into the history of the EMUs and that, and it's a bit. You think you know it all, and then you find something you don't know.
Oh, I do. I'm only just starting to learn.
And it's what they made up when they had damaged vehicles. So they go, oh, we'll put that with that, and that'll do. And
I found a society on the internet.
They never use it, they turn a lot of steam stock into
Oh, right.
yeah,
That's all right. Just changed it from ages ago.
yeah, it was
I thought, wait a minute, I'm going to run out.
There's a good possibility you could.
Dirty there, isn't it?
The touchy points there for a start. Which isn't kept going over the college.
Didn't pick it over properly, did you?
That's more miniature than narrow gauge.
Look, it's a railway. You can play trains on it.
That is true.
Which is supposed to capture that front. We haven't got enough information, so we later get pictures of all of that and should start something like So we've still got second seeding thing. Yes, that's Santa Barbara, so that's going, that's not going out until the spring, and then once the ship is going in the spring sometime. Well, he's looking to a third one, he's been debating a southern one. Or he's going to do Lincoln and Barnsley, you don't use every other track. Not sure this, and St. Calvin. He wants to do Ruby Bay State. This was in Lincoln Bay, not as international. So that to a season just
Sorry? Yeah. One further down there, isn't
they came, or it's repainted.
it? Sorry.
Right, right.
Now that's there. I want to form up something, so I'm going to go and put the rest of them wagons.
Don't take that loco under the bridge.
Oh, that's true.
Because you run out of achievements.
What I'm going to do. Still got batteries, it's alright. Still got batteries. Still got batteries.
It will go in, but it won't come out.
Oh, really?
The pantograph catches all the way.
Oh, I see.
Because the pantograph pops up,
Yeah.
and it won't go past. It will go that way, but it
Oh,
won't
right.
go the other way. Marty did it earlier on.
Well, so we'll get rid of him.
Right. Point. Right, point. The point's changing.
You're currently running round, aren't you, Kevin?
Yes, I'll run down. I can't get the point.
Oh, I see.
So I'm going to isolate that one again. I've got one, so yeah. Yes, it is. Get the hang of this.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I gave it to you.
Isn't this the one that was dropped?
Yeah.
And so Mud said specifically, looks okay on the back, but not up in the shed.
Right. Well, I'll put it in the center.
It's going on the first load as well. Oh wow.
You asked for something interesting. That's what
I did. It's true. That's because what I really wanted was the Adam Stupid.
Oh, I was on the last time there.
I know, I saw it leaving. No, don't.
Well, not only that, you stop that. Never stop that.
Oh, okay. Down the corner, down angle. I think we've got to see
Attention all visitors and stewards who have not had their lunch. This is the last call for lunches in Citizens Restaurant here. Last call for lunches in Citizens Restaurant. Thank you.
All assembled for the main wedding reception. It must be that 30 or 20 odd people in there. But, yeah.
The group for Michael Thomas Steel. That's pretty good.
Oh, is it?
Front bogey's not the springs in that not enough to hold it down. Something like that. And I was about to say you were giving a good impression that someone who knew what he was doing. That's the first.
Somebody else told me.
I'd rather they clean up. James is younger, so we all go visit him on our bike and turn up. And as we leave, he's going, I hate cyclists. Get off. We have these arguments about cycling, where the cyclists go on the road, he gets really annoyed with them. So.
I feel the Dutch
Yeah.
really good out there. You've got to put a junction, traffic lights that way, single mile. Really good. I mean, you pay tax for cycling. You don't go on the highway, you go one lane everywhere. Really good.
Your phone works.
Did it?
And I will be off. Well, nice to see you, Andrew. Right, shall we move on a bit then? This way. say Henry. Henry.
I just thought as sort of when racing
But in a minute,
on the corner, really mean, wasn't it? You got the row and the wagon and then went on the
and he's actually booked it over in the tunnel.
That's the first like well, so
Ringo Starr, isn't it, doing the voiceover. Some of them are really mean. Like, so they leave him in the tunnel, and Gordon gets stuck in the mud or something. So they really are very. Well, I suppose it's the old style of this is how we deal with you're causing trouble.
I think most of the original actually, you had that, and it sort of was supposed to teach you the lesson.
There's consequences to your actions.
yeah, plus it opens up a bit of room on top of the scene as well. Do you know what was it called? Or was it?